Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok video. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on this plus button which is on the bottom of your screen. Now, after that, click on the time duration that you want to record a video. After that, all you have to do is click on this red button and your video will be started. You can also add story by holding story and then your video will be recorded. That's how you can record a video on the TikTok. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.